Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to repair a noisy dryer. I was on this call the other day when this problem happened and the customer called me. I actually almost missed what was causing this problem. The top 6 reasons most dryers make noise or vibrate is the idler pulley, drum rollers and axles, the blower wheel, a dry belt, front drum glides for mostly GE dryers, last but not least, the drive motor. Real quick guys, before you see the video on what was causing this problem and how to repair it, I want to mention for those of you that want to learn how to disassemble and assemble this dryer, I have a video on this channel and I will place a link below on how you can see that. Also, watch this video until the end for those of you that want to start your business. Some of you may not want to start a business in appliance repair, but I am starting another channel to help you guys find other businesses that suit or fit your needs. So of course, after disassembling the dryer, and of course I turned it on first and I heard the noise, it was vibrating. And I almost missed it because the problem, as you can see here, is the idler pulley. However, the belt is starting to cut, and this happens a lot if you overload the dryer. Will start to cut into the pulley itself. As you can see that little mark there. I checked the tub rollers right there. Some people call them drum rollers. And there was lint in this blower assembly, which guys will also cause that problem if it's a lot of lint in one area in this blower wheel. Here's a closer look of the idler pulley where the belt was starting to damage it. Also, here are the shavings from the belt as it was going around that idler pulley. Anytime you see this debris there that you see on the floor, that where the belt is starting to come apart, 9 times out of 10, it is the idler pulley. So I just wanted you to see that. Also, anytime you're putting this particular dryer back together, which in this case is a Samsung dryer, make sure you line the idler pulley up correctly on that belt switch or the dryer will not start. I did promise you a surprise and I'm about to show you that now, but I want to thank you for watching my video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And here is the surprise. I am in the process of creating a second channel called Why Work Cheap. This channel is just what you see on this image. I want to help you guys to become entrepreneurs using your God-given gifts, passions, and talents. I realize that not everyone will start an appliance repair business. However, I believe all of us have at least one gift, and some of us have more than one, where we can become entrepreneurs and work for ourselves. Especially at the making of this video, we're dealing with the coronavirus or COVID-19 pandemic. During this coronavirus pandemic, it could not be more evident that you need to be in control of your own destiny and that of your families. My goal for the Why Work Cheap channel and website is not only to mention businesses that you can start with very little money, but also businesses that are recession proof and that are in need. I just wanted to introduce this channel and website at this time so that those of you that are considering starting your own business, you will have that opportunity. As the channel grows and the website, there will be several businesses to choose from, and I will also provide how to start them and the website that you need so that your business can be successful from day one. As always, be blessed and be encouraged.